Hello and welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and start with this dream catcher that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and practically take it apart. I'm gonna start by taking out these kind of ribbons, and I'm just gonna leave the circle in the middle. And since I do want my dream catcher to be white, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it with this acrylic white paint that I also bought at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry for a couple of hours. I will be using some kite string. I'm gonna go ahead and size it up, and then I will be cutting up feathers that I also had left over from another project. I will be adding some beads, and this is a tricky part. I went ahead and used different ways to glue the beads in, and I went ahead and put glue in, and then the feathers I dipped them in glue, and it worked for me, but I did have some fallouts, so I would definitely try to do something else, maybe use hot glue or something like that. I am putting two feathers on each edge, and what I want to do here is I want to go ahead and put them inside the bead so you can't see where the glue is. And here I'm just putting on some of that glue just to secure it even more. But then I was going through my stuff and I found some clear beads. It was a bracelet that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and since I already had my string already made, I went ahead and cut it in the middle, and I went ahead and put in those clear beads. You'll see them in just a minute. So again, because I didn't want to redo the whole thing, I went ahead and just cut in the middle, and you see those clear beads there. I made a knot, and now I'm just using some fire just to make sure that it is secure and that it won't go anywhere. Now, to put in the beads, I also went ahead and burn the ends of the string, and man, that made such a big difference in putting in the string, because you have a hard thin end, and it was so much easier. Another trick throughout this project that I learned is to push the string through those tight beads with a safety pin or with a needle. It made it so much easier. And when you are working in a project, throughout the project you're gonna find different strategies, different ways on doing things. It's just being patient. If you are impatient, then I do not suggest this type of crafting for you. Again, it is about having fun, it's about relaxing, it's about being creative, and the end result is going to be very pleasing. So this is the circle, and I did miss a few spots, so I didn't want to wait that long to wait until it dried. So I went ahead and got some nail polish, and I just went over those spots or areas that they needed some color, and I was at it, and I was like, you know what, I need some bling bling. So I went ahead and got a sparkly nail polish, and I also had some stones that I use for my nails, and I definitely decided to use those in the inner net of the circle, and it looks so beautiful. I mean, white with bling is just it, in my opinion. So this is what I have, and look at that. You can definitely see it blinging, and I was trying to figure it out if I was gonna leave the clear beads on top or not, but we'll figure that later. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to each string that I previously made with the white feathers, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in like they were before. One feather fell out while I was adjusting it, and that's because I didn't wait long enough to dry. But this is how the final result look like. I really do like it. It looks, I mean, really on camera you can't tell how beautiful it looks. It looks fancy, it looks bling, it looks just beautiful. Well, my friends, I hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.